Hi, this is a video on how to quickly create a channel. So to go to channels, you need to go to Engage and then TV channels. Click on the Create button to create a new channel. You need to provide a name. And click on Add Slide to create a new slide. Then click on the slide to view its settings. You need to set a title for the slide in relevance to what you need to broadcast. Channels supports 3 types of slides. Those are metric leaderboard slide, competition leaderboard slide, and image slide. Each type has different properties and use cases. In this video, I'm going to go with metric leaderboard slide. It can be used to display leaderboard for a specific metric. Here you need to choose the metric that you need to broadcast. And you need to select a leaderboard design. Also, you can decide how many entries need to be on the screen. You can display the metric stats based on specific teams or users or locations, etc. So that detail you need to specify here. Also, you can apply filters if you want to sort entities based on some available criteria. And now choose an interval for the metric leaderboard. Also, you can choose how the entries should appear on the leaderboard. This option basically sort the entries either in descending or in ascending order. So we have finished configuring the slide. If you want to create more slides in this channel, you can do that by creating new slides. Now click on Create to create this channel. So now the channel has been created. Click on Open in TV mode to view the channel. And last but not least, in order to broadcast this channel to any TV or a computer, you can get a broadcast URL inside the settings. So you need to click on Edit. And here we have the URL. Just click on this button to copy it. Alright, now the URL has been copied to the clipboard. You can open this URL in any computer to broadcast this channel. You can check other videos on channel to see how to create channels for different type of slides. Thanks for watching.